In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hover effect in Webflow. If you've ever hovered over a piece of text and watched its color switch to something you didn't plan, this quick walkthrough will help you clear that style and get things back to your default look. We'll work right inside the designer and use the built-in states controls so you don't need any custom code. First, open your Webflow project in the designer and make sure you're on the canvas where you can see your page. This is where you'll preview what the hover style is doing. It helps to keep the navigator or your page section visible so you can select elements easily, but the main thing is that you're working in the designer view. Next, click the text element that shows the unwanted hover effect. This could be a text link, a heading, or any text element with a class. Check the selector field at the top of the style panel to confirm which class is applied. You want to edit the class that actually controls the appearance of this element, because hover styles are saved per selector. Now head to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. This is the panel with the paintbrush icon. It contains all your typography, color, spacing, and state controls. We'll use it to access the hover state and clean up the color override. Look for the states drop-down near the top of the Style panel. It usually says None by default. Click it and choose Hover. Your canvas will switch to show how the element looks when the cursor is over it, which is exactly what we need for removing that color change. With the element in its hover state, go to the typography section and open the color control for the text. You'll see the current hover color swatch. Instead of picking a new color, click Reset. This clears the hover specific color and allows the text to inherit the base style from the None state. The hover effect for text color is now removed. A quick tip: if you still notice visual changes on hover after resetting the text color, those changes may be coming from other properties set in the hover state, like underline, background, or effects. The same idea applies. Open that property while still in hover and click Reset to clear it. If interactions are involved, they're managed in the Interactions panel, not in States. When you're done, switch the States drop-down back to None to continue normal editing, and preview your site to confirm the text no longer changed on hover. That's it. You've removed the hover effect cleanly, and your text now follows the base style you intended.